Alright, what's up guys? Name's Nick. I'm here today to set up the new iDrive 6 on my F82. Didn't come with the CarPlay, so I hit up Retrofit My Bimmer. Got this new head unit. It's supposed to be plug and play, so here we go. Okay, so the very first thing that we have to do here is disconnect the battery. But before we do so, we should grab a cloth and cover the trunk hitch, just in case you accidentally close it with the battery disconnected. You won't be able to open it. So go ahead and put a cloth there. Let's go make it a little tighter. All right. And then we'll go ahead and disconnect the negative power source. Alright guys, now that we got the battery disconnected, we're going to go ahead and remove all the trim. I'm going to start with the top piece. So you could use a prying tool. I'm going to use my fingers and we'll start from this side. Just unclick it. Make sure you don't put too much pressure and then just take it off. Once you get to this point, there's two controllers that you want to take out here. It looks like it already fell out. And then this little piece right here, just unclip it. Just like that. Alright, so that's this one piece. Go ahead and put it to the side safely. And then we'll go ahead and grab the second piece. I'm going to use my hands. And then that's that. Alright, and after that's done, you go ahead and get a T20 screwdriver. And there's 4 screws here you want to unscrew. Guys, now that I unscrewed all 4 screws, we'll go ahead and take off the faceplate. Here you're going to see there's a connection. You can choose to take it off. I'm just going to leave it to the side. And then we're going to use a T20 again to unscrew the actual unit. So these 2 screws right here. Also, if you want down the line, if you want to change your screen, you just remove these 2 screws. I'm not doing that today. Alright, I went ahead and removed the 2 screws here. The one right here, and we're going to go ahead and remove the unit. I'm going to go put this down just to protect my interior. So go ahead and pull it out. Once you pull it out, there's all these connections. What you want to do is unplug every single one. So there's little clips, just pull it out, pull it out, pull it out, and so forth. Alright. After you remove all the little ones, there's this big one right here where it's on the back. In order to remove it, you pull it off like this. Right? It goes down, you just pull it out. Alright, so now that we have the whole old head unit out, go ahead and grab the one from Retrofit My Bimmer, and you just pretty much plug it back in, essentially plug and play. All the colors match up. This is an antenna. You could put it wherever you want. I'm going to put it in here, just glue it up, and then we'll be good. So now that I plugged everything back in, pretty much you just put it back, and then go ahead and align it correctly, and screw everything back into its original spot. Just align it back up, and go ahead and screw it back in. 4 original screws. I went ahead and screwed everything back in. Just go ahead and grab these pieces and just put it back in. Right. Make sure you clip it in correctly into the original spots and then put it back. So after you've connected the wires back into here and here, just go ahead and put the trim back on. I'm going to put it on the sides first, clip in nicely, and then, yeah. Alright guys, now that everything's nice and back in, we're going to go back to the trunk, put the battery back in, and test this out. Let's go. Reconnect the power, negative, back into negative. Screw it back in. We just finished replugging negative power back into the battery. Let's test it out. Oh, it already looks good. Alright, we're gonna go ahead. look at this. Looks great.